Hello. Screen is dirty. Sorry, I have to clean you guys. So, 24 hours until I leave to Mexico. Just cleaned my floor. Who cares about my floor? Well, I do. You see? Wet, wet, wet. It's supposed to leave a shine, but it never does. Well, you can tell over there. It's all matte, and on the bottle it says this beautiful shine, but it just never does. Said goodbye to everybody, except for this dead fly here. Wouldn't it be funny if it turned back alive? Fly! It's gone. He's a goner. In about half an hour, my parents are going to be here. And I will be filming my brother-in-law and my sister and all their kids. If they let me, I'm sure they will. Yesterday, the last guy came to pick up my washing machine, which is awesome. I had the most disgusting Domino's pizza yesterday. It was a vegan pizza. Paid way too much for it. 12 euros, which is 15 US, something like that. Crazy how they get away with it. But every other normal, regular pizza place was shut, so I have to remember myself not to forget this. This is for my parents, and I also I've been listening to my previous videos, and I'm constantly out of breath. Yeah, my condition isn't very good. It's probably due to the fact that I live, or that my work is on my laptop. I like this view. So pretty. Said goodbye to all my neighbors. Funny thing is when you have that official goodbye and then you meet each other in the hallway and say, okay, goodbye again, goodbye, goodbye. Yeah, I know, goodbye. Okay, it's gonna happen again. Now the water is nice and blue. Chemical crap. Okay, anyway, who cares? I'll see you guys in a couple of minutes, and then we're gonna film the very last day. Excited about that. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Here are my parents. Oh gosh. I'm thinking, why is he not moving? But there are two trucks in front of him. Hi.
Hoi.
Hi. Je bent even op camera hoor.
Ben ik op camera?
Ja.
Hi Sean. Hi. I love you.
Ik zat te denken, waarom gaat hij niet verder? Maar hij kan niet verder.
Hij kan niet verder.
Ja, dit spul moet even mee. Kan dat?
Moeten we even zien wat het achterin kan. Is dat voor de stuur?
Dit is gewoon Pokémon spul. En dit zijn gewoon 2 tassen.
Ja.
Kan dat achterin, denk je, qua volume?
Nou, ik dacht van proberen we even.
Oké. Hallo. Hoi. Dit is allemaal Pokémon spul. One of my dad collects cars.
Je moet jezelf ook filmen, hè?
Ja, ik film mezelf ook wel.
Ja? Oké. Moeder en zo. Nee, ik zit heel laag.
Laag?
Ja. Als je onder zo'n hobbel gaat dan...
Ja, is op slapen. Dus ik moet morgen nog wat voor het luchtbed te zetten.
En hoe was het met gehaald dan hoor?
Dat weet ik nog niet. Daar moet ik echt nog even iets op verzinnen. Ik vraag maar zo wel even. En Maria ziet dat je altijd het kind op behangen.
Serieus?
Lekker. Ik begrijp de vraag niet. Wat bedoel je?
Wat jij met die doos wil. Hey! Is dat nodig?
Dag Tittebel.
Komt op de documentaire.
This is like a small little farm. A sheep over there, chickens over here, and 5 kids. Used to be a big shed over here, they tore that down. Hi! Hi!
Je vond echt alles.
Pak. So the footage that you saw was from a meeting yesterday from my mother and my father, obviously, who brought me to my brother-in-law and my sister. And look what they made for me. We had fries and a lot of unhealthy stuff that was really awesome. And those kids made me the most fantastic drawings. This one is from Sophie, and this one is from the youngest, Lola. This is from my only nephew. Today he's playing soccer. My nephew's name is Joost. Oh, by the way, before I forget, I got full permission from my brother-in-law and his wife to post the footage of their children, so I explicitly asked them if they were okay with that. And this one is from Nikki, and doei means goodbye in Dutch. I am going to miss you very much. From Daniel, for Daniel, to Nikki. She even signed the date. So it's very, 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 very sweet. I'm gonna take these with me to Mexico. Apparently they print, if you know anything about Mexico, you obviously recognize this. This is one of those death hats, skulls that they use in the Day of the Dead, which is, I think, an event that's, it's 9:30 a.m. and in a couple of hours the new tenant and the realtor will be here. Gonna leave that thing here. You know, you always run into things at the very, very end. You know you are. My flight is leaving at 10:30 p.m. tonight, so I've got quite a ways to go. Anyway, I'm gonna take you along with me on the entire trip. Well, pieces of it. I can't film everything, of course, but I hope you'll enjoy that. I think it's gonna be great. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye. I really want to talk, but I almost can't. We made it to Schiphol. You see my big face? Actually, we can... About 2 hours. Let's go upstairs. I would say this, but traveling on with a mask is not as bad as it sounds. For some reason. We say Schiphol. In English, it's always Schiphol. No, it's Schiphol. I used to come here when I was 20 to 25 sometimes. Just on my own, just to have fun, not to fly, but to watch planes. And this place is very, it's a very energetic place, obviously. Alright, just be really responsible sanitizing my hands. And it's actually made from Dutch tulips, and I'm not joking. It's alcohol with a scent of tulips. If you don't know what Dutch tulip smells like, there's nothing like it. Let's see if we can find a gate. Everybody has a different opinion. I'm departure 3, so I have to go there. And I'm pretty sure I'm not allowed to film anymore after security.
10 minutos más. Las condiciones se encuentran favorables. El último reporte meteorológico de la Ciudad de México se lo